Welcome back to Linux Command Line Tips. Today we're going to cover a series of minor commands, but they're very useful. So today we're going to cover how to break up a calendar, how to bring up the dates, how to clear your terminal, and how to exit a terminal. But before we begin, you can see that my terminal is a little bit different today than it was in previous lectures. So today I've got something called Terminator up. Terminator is another terminal program. However, what Terminator does, it allows you to break up your main terminal into various subterminals. So you can split it horizontally, you can split it vertically, you could do whatever you want. So this is pretty useful in case you're programming and you want to bring up different files simultaneously and work on them at the same time. So let's go up here, and if you actually want to install Terminator, you can issue the command sudo or sudo. That means super user do, and we'll cover that in a future lecture. And enter in apt, and that's a package manager. So sudo apt install Terminator, and that's the name of the program. And you can see here that it's already installed and it's completely upgraded, but if I did not have this program installed, it would install it for you. So that's that. And to clear this, we want to clear the screen, we want to get rid of all this stuff so it's a little cleaner. We would type in the clear command. So if you type in clear, it'll clear the screen. If you actually want to do it another way, instead of typing clear and hitting enter, you can do Control-L, and that will clear the screen. So this I found useful because I was using another program called Secure File Transfer Protocol, or SFTP, and there's no clear command in SFTP to clear the screen. So I came across it by a Google search. So again, you can clear the screen by two methods: issuing clear, or by hitting Control-L simultaneously, and that will clear the screen. So, and how do you exit a terminal? So we've got a bunch of 4 vertically stacked terminals here, and we don't need all these terminals. So let's exit out of one terminal session and got rid of one box or terminal. So you can do exit, or to make things a little more simple, you can do a keyboard shortcut called Control-D, and that will get you out of a terminal. So going back to Terminator, if you want to split the screen, you can right click on your mouse and specify split horizontally. You could do the same thing and split vertically and create different subwindows. So again, I'm going to get rid of these subterminals by issuing either an exit or Control-D, which will clean up your screen. And for now, I actually don't need to split the screen anymore, so I'm just going to get rid of this and go into just a single terminal. Okay, so we're in our radio signals directory, and we'll cover the last 2 commands. We can issue the date command if we want to know what the day's date is. You can specify date, and it will bring up the current date and the current time. Again, that's date. Clear the screen. And if you actually want to see what the month looks like, you can type in CTL-L, and that stands for calendar, and it will bring up a little mini calendar, and the current date will be highlighted in white. So that's about it for today. So today we covered how to exit a terminal, how to clear your screen by 2 different methods, and how to exit a terminal by 2 different methods, either with the exit command or the Control-D command, and clearing the screen with the clear command or the Control-L command, and also bringing up the date and then seeing the current calendar. See you next time.